Okay, hi. I just wanted to show everyone this because this is really cool and I haven't seen this before um, until just recently. So let's see, here we go. I'll do this part. What we're going to do is a bulk creation. And so what we need to do is create just a simple post. Easy, any post you want. I just chose this Square Insta for a demonstration. And then next cool thing you can do is take, let's see, we'll take a good one here. Take one that's fun. How about this one looks good? Okay, so we're gonna say we'll just change this real quick to say um, business quote. I can't spell, and this all gets in the way of the day, and I can't spell. What is that? That was leet. That was leet code. Okay, quote. Nope, can't spell that either. Right on live. Here we go. QUO. Nope. Yeah, that works. Okay, shrink it up. I know this is supposed to be fast and it's supposed to be real. So let me get through it here real quick. Okay, that's that. Then what you can do here is we are going to do two things. We'll do this is the quote. We're going to just call this quote just for fun. Then we can do a little quick branding. And then we need the who did this. We'll do that and then we'll go here. Probably put this down here, a little bit there. Probably change this to something that's here. I hate it when it does that. It does it quite often, jumping around. Okay, well, that did that. Okay, now we're going to do this. This is the cool part. So we go down to here. If you haven't done this yet, you might have to press apps, and it will be in this list. But if you have done it, it shows up at the very bottom of this left-hand scroll area. At the bottom, it says bulk create. Now, you have a CVS, and I do. I've created one that looks like quotes and people who quoted. So what we do here is just like it says, right click on the element and connect it. So what we're going to do here real quick is this. We're going to click on the three dots and then go down to connect data. And this is the quote. You can see it puts the check marks in there. And over here, do the same thing. 3, connect the data to who. And now we do continue. It's given me all of the quotes and all of the people in my Excel sheet. Um, it just trusts me that the quotes and the person who is being quoted are separate columns. That is all that CVS is, and a CVS is CSV, rather, CSV, comma, separated value file is just that. So it is just the person's name, comma, and then their quote. And when I do this, I have 157 quotes. When I do this, generate, it blasts through and generates da, 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 300 pages. But I think I made a mistake somewhere. So I think it's duplicating. Yeah, see, I actually put something in between there, so it's doubled up. But anyway, as you can see, it is now taking and inserting the quotes that I have from my file. Um, and putting them right into this, which I can then quickly do a download, and it will give me all of the pages. They're all branded, and if I wanted to, I can click that and download it. If I wanted to get really fancy, what I could do is start going through um, the ones that I want to be modified a little bit. So I'll go into the colors here, and then I will do a transformation. So I'll just choose. I can choose some things here. I might choose that, and then move on to the next page. And go here, and then try to choose something else. Go back into styles, and then I can do I don't know, do cardio. And then if you click on these, they actually they they change them up for you. It's just like a shuffle. Actually, it works better if you go here, see all, then you can do this. And then it pops up a shuffle. And so you can click through this and see if you like. I'm working on that one. See if you like the results until you like it. And then move on once it's done. So like in this one, I didn't change those pink slides, so I never probably would use this one. Instead, I would probably do, I'd probably do this. This is what I'll do here. Go back to the one that I didn't merge, delete this, and then, well, that's already a bulk, so I don't need to do that one. Okay, there we go. And this is this one. So what we have to do just here is delete this. Make sure that we're saving as business quote of the day. It's spelled wrong, I don't care. Nobody's going to see that except me and you. And so now I just have the one sheet in here. And if I do this again, it's telling me that I can't do that because I'm sure it's because I have to start over to make that work. But if I do it, just retell it as same CSV file. It's already connected. All right. So I just do this. I'm going to save it as a different name. It's spelled wrong anyway. Okay. And then what we're going to do is just do this. I'll bail out because you can always come back to your own designs, which should be, that's bulk, that's bulk. Okay. I think it's probably this one. Yeah. Okay, that looks solid. So what we're going to do here is because we did that, we're going to, what I think probably a good idea is just to save this as a different one. Save it as 2. Make sure you press enter so this thing pops back up, the little pencil. And then we'll go back down here to bulk. We're going to do this. Same thing. I'm going to take the connections off first. Okay. I don't know why I'm doing this part, but I'm just going to do it. Maybe I can fast forward through this in the video. Or not. Alright, now I'm going to reconnect. This is the quote. And this is who said the quote. Okay, that looks good. Now we're going to go here. And it's saying it's not doing it because I probably did too many. But at the end of the day, if you have done all those steps that I showed you before, you can see here. These are all the separate files. Just do this, and there you go. That's just one example, and they're all the different different ones that we produced. All right, so that's it. I think I rambled a bit much, but here you go, and hopefully that helps. Bye.